I think one that to me is most personally impactful is we've seen support staff feel validated and involved in the decision making process. One of the things we saw specifically was sitting down with our career counselor and talking about where she fit in within the continuum and what support she provides to the students. And she said it was really impactful. Like it really meant an enormous amount for her to realize she's part of the system and part of the process. She doesn't meet the kids in the classroom, but she's still an essential part of the components that get the students ready for their post grade 12 life.
Hmm.
And so many cases like that where our support staff get to see and recognize they have vital roles in providing tier 2 and tier 3 supports, and that sense of confidence that it brings has been amazing.
Oh,
Another thing that I've seen that I just personally absolutely love and appreciate is I feel like there's an opening of the staff. There's sort of a more open dialogue, because for it we've always sort of mutually recognized that we're strong, compassionate people who are working hard to help the students as well as we can. But it's often felt like silos. Like over my 11 years here in the building, I've often heard colleagues describe it as feeling like I am the English department or I am the chemistry department.
yeah,
And even though we know we share a lot of experiences with the students in the building, it could feel very isolating because there's no one else in the building doing quite the same thing as you.
yeah,
Even me and my colleague, who's the senior high math teacher, we have a two-person math department, but it doesn't even feel like we're doing the same thing. Where junior high and senior high feel very differently. And so, what collaborative response has done is in those team meetings, and then even in hallway and staff room conversations outside of those meetings, collaborative response emphasizes the similarities in what we're doing and
yeah.
emphasizes that our goals and our intentions are the exact same. How it implements is very diverse. So I think it's collaborative response has really helped to unify our purpose in the building while maintaining the diversity of responses we have in our individual classrooms.